The simulator is the first of its kind in the area, and it'll provide realistic training to Moultrie law enforcement and surrounding agencies. Moultrie Police Sergeant Daniel Lindsey shows us how the judgmental use of force simulator works. The simulator helps officers fine-tune their decision-making in a tense environment.
It helps them make those split-second decisions that can affect both them and the victim and the victim's family for a lifetime.
Officers often have to make those life and death decisions in the field. The simulator shows them the results of their shots.
This training allows the officers to see after the fact where their shots land and improve their accuracy and overall training with their firearm.
When officers are on patrol, it's vital for them to be aware of their surroundings. The simulator provides a realistic 360-degree screen with scenarios officers deal with regularly.
You don't want them to encounter that the very first time out on the street. You want them to have had the opportunity here to learn what decisions to make, what reactions that are appropriate, so that when they do encounter them out on the street, they're prepared.
And this new training technology does not only benefit Moultrie law enforcement, but students at Moultrie Tech as well.
It gives not only the law enforcement officers an opportunity to train, it also gives our criminal justice students a lab so that they can see really what it means to be a law enforcement officer.
And this technology is a huge improvement from what they're used to training with.
We use paper targets, a stationary object of one dimension, which doesn't give the reality of a live situation, as with this is three-dimensional. It gives you where you have to look at your surroundings. It also gives you a human silhouette to use as a target versus a paper target.
And not only target practice, but the chance to use weapons they carry every day. The simulator will help teach officers the judgment involved in choosing to use deadly or non-deadly force.
Surrounding counties can pay a fee to bring their law enforcement officers to train on the new training simulator.